Forgotten username recovery failed on Ziggma Fix. If you've tried recovering your Ziggma username and failed, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by using an outdated email or skipping essential verification steps. The surprising truth is that regaining access can be quick if you follow the right process. Step 1. Open the Ziggma app or website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email address linked to your account. Ziggma will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and repeated requests in a short time may temporarily lock your account. Patience is key. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact Ziggma support directly with this information. Providing details about portfolio holdings, recent transactions, or subscription plans helps speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once your username is restored, store it safely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, reducing the chances of future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your Ziggma account efficiently, keeping your investment tracking and portfolio management uninterrupted. Proper verification and credential management are essential for smooth access in the future.